Hello everybody. I leave for work very shortly here. Don is out there trying to clean up my car because it's still snowstorming. I'm sick of snowstorms. And I'm sick of trying to drive to work in this kind of garbage. I'm going to end up in the ditch yet. But we don't have enough people, enough employees, where if one of us gets snowed in, somebody can cover. It's just tough shit. Right, Tug? Oh, you don't care. And last night I broke down and ordered a thermostat for this salamander because I can't sleep at night. Worth of shit, because I have to keep waking Don up so he can turn it on. So if there's a thermostat on there, it'll turn itself on and we can sleep. Cost me $62, but that's the way shit goes. And to leave in about 10 minutes, because I don't know how long it'll take in this shitty weather. Don't want to be late.
Well, everybody, I've been just sitting around all day. Didn't do a whole lot. As you guys seen, I cleaned off Tino's car, turned it around for her again today. Other than that, you know, I've fed and watered the outside animals and dealt with the washing up the dishes, made dinner. Just not a lot going on. Just one of them boring old days. Thinking about going out and scraping the porch off because there's a bunch of snow on the porch again. Probably scrape up where Tino usually parks her car at with the shovel, just to clean up a little bit of that snow to get it out of there. Just that way it's cleaned up underneath of her car for when she parks it and where she normally parks it out here by the door. And other than that, there's just, like I said, nothing going on. Sitting around being bored, picking my nose, thumbing my rear end. Some of you knows how that goes. Alright everybody, I just got back in from outside. I scraped the porch off again, cleaned off from the bottom of the step all the way to the other side where Tino parks and all the way down to the end of the house trailer. So got a good stretch of it all scraped up. I just hand shoveled it. When the snow gets deep, that little snowblower don't like to work the greatest in deep snow. So I figured I'll just hand shovel that out again, and so that's all cleaned up. So when Tino comes in, you know, she won't have any snow to walk through besides what's packed down on the ground that I can't scrape up, or whatever fresh snow we get between now and then when she gets home. Whatever we do get shouldn't be too much snow by the time she gets here, so there might be a thin glaze across where I cleaned up at. I know I do need to get out there and clean up the whole driveway one of these days. It's just all a matter of getting up off my dead ass to do it. Since I haven't worked in a while, I've just been sitting on my ass. It's actually making me kind of lazy, so I guess I'll just go back to watching some TV for now and doodle around some more on Facebook and drink some coffee I got set in here. There's probably about, I don't know, maybe about a cup of coffee left. I only made a half pot when I did make one. I didn't see the sense in brewing up a full pot and then end up having some that go to waste, so it is what it is.
Hello everybody. I was so exhausted from having to get up every little while to wake him up for the salamander that I decided to make it a 2-day one this time. So it's now Sunday, and I have to leave for work shortly. And Don told me last night he doesn't want to vlog anymore. Not by himself.
Oh great, nothing going on. What am I supposed to do? Sit here and go, Right, nothing going on.
Well, alright then. The vlogs are going to be a lot shorter on days I work then, because I can't vlog at work and you won't do anything.
Well, there ain't nothing going on around here besides me just sitting on my duff folding chair and plays and washing dishes. Last, what, 2 days? Wash dishes?
Yeah, I guess.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
I guess so. Well, that's how things go, I guess.
Well, everybody, been on a slow boring day. Becky and Troy stopped by earlier and visited for a little bit, for probably close to an hour. And they left to go back home. And I've already done made dinner and all that happy horse shit. And I come in to check on Cheeto, see how he's doing. I'm gonna change the water again because he's got sawdust in it. I am gonna have to do a spot cleaning, because I see a spot right there where he went to the bathroom. A spot over there in the corner. But other than that, he's sitting right here and relaxing. Right, Cheeto? Poor buddy. How you doing, Cheeto? It's nice and warm. Nice and warm in here for him, and not like so warm that it's bad for him, but warm enough, you know, to where I would say it's like his temperature, what he's supposed to have. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and check on him, see how he was doing, and he's doing good. So other than that, it's been really cold out today. Cold as all hell. I probably should go out and check on the animals' water again to see if it's frozen or not. With the birds' water frozen, I don't know. It may or may not be, because they got heat lamps. But as for the rabbit, most likely definitely frozen for the rabbit. But as for the chickens, I don't know. But I should make a run out there and go and check on their water again, so that way they can have water. But yeah, it's just one of them days. Alright, everybody. Well, after I got my feet dressed to get ready to go out and check on the animals, I had to go to the bathroom. And so after I did that, I come out and start drawing water for taking out for the animals, to be able to make sure they have fresh water, because it's winter time and water likes to freeze. You know, anybody knows that. And so after I got the water ran, put into a gallon jug to take out with me, I decided to run dishwater. There ain't very many dishes. I just washed up a few of them. There's only a couple of small items left to wash. I'll wash those when I get back in the house from checking on the outside animals' water. I just turned on Fraser, so pause that to be able to film this clip. And so Tennille should be home like any time now, you know, like in the near future. She had to take one of her other co-workers home, and when she said that she had to take one of her co-workers home, I told her to go back out the same way she goes in, because if she tries to go up over the other way, there's a really big hill, and we call it Dun Hill. But it's a really steep hill, not a good hill during the winter time. It's a hill I like to stay away from in the winter. When you get snow and ice and stuff, it's just a really, really bad hill. I recommend to stay off that hill during the winter time, if you, at all costs, if you can. You know, if you have to go over it, I only suggest only if you absolutely have to, no choice. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get out there and deal with the outside animals right now, so that way it'll be done and over with, and then get the couple of dishes washed up. Alright, everybody, I just got back in, well, I was back in the house from going out and giving the chickens and the rabbit fresh water. The chicken water was frozen, so they got fresh water. So did the rabbit. They like to freeze during the winter, and I want them to be able to have water, so that way they have a way to be able to drink. Sure, there is snow, but it's not good enough, you know, for them to be able to keep hydrated in my book. But the reason why I brought you guys out here, I wanted to show you the moon if it shows up. I think it looks really cool and really nice, pretty view. And I'll zoom in for you. But yeah, there's Oh, I lost it. Oh, there it is. But yeah, there's the moon. I thought it was really pretty. So I wanted to bring you guys out to show you. I would show you the stars, but they probably won't show up. There's a fair amount of stars out. I see the Big Dipper and all that. But like I said, the odds are those aren't going to show up. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show this view with you guys. So, but yeah, just wanted to have you guys join me for that view. So, it's cold as hell out here. I wouldn't be surprised if it's down to like maybe 10, maybe near 0 out here right now. Ice over the door. Lots of ice. Sword ice cubes.
So now I'm home and I have the next 3 days off.
Oh, do you?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How awesomeness.
Okay.
I mean, okay. Not just okay.
Yeah.
It's fabulous.
Oh, fabulous!
Fucking right, it's fabulous.
And tomorrow we have to go to Petoskey to pick up feeder mice. And then I'm getting 2 rats as pets. So.
Well, officially not allowed to have any.
It's not your choice. You don't control me. And I don't control you. It's not that kind of relationship.
I'll tell you right now, there ain't no pets allowed in this house.
Oh yeah, whatever.
There ain't no pets here on this premises at all. There ain't any.
Oh, there's not? What's this thing? What is this thing?
Just a figment of your imagination.
And what about this thing? What's this thing?
Another figment of your imagination.
And what about that long thing in the bedroom? What's that thing?
What long thing?
The long orange thing in the bedroom. What's that thing?
Did you pull a Lorraine Bobbitt?
No.
Mr. Bobbitt?
No.
What did the judge say to Mr. Bobbitt? Mr. Bobbitt, please rise.
Whatever. But I got to work and Rich gave me 6 bananas. I went to buy 2 and he only charged me for 1, and then he's like, you can have all the rest of them. Because they were turning black, and I like them that way, but the customers don't, so he just gave them all to me. What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Hi. What do you want? And then I gave Christine a ride home, and she paid me in these, 2 of these, so that's cool. Which actually I'll drink one right now. This is the only one of these I can have. Yeah. I mean, I can have whatever I want, but the only one that isn't terrible. Because it comes to 94 calories for the whole can. It says 100, but I go by ounces, and it's 15 that comes out as 94. But here, you want that? What's wrong with you? You scared of a can? But we're gonna say goodnight, and we hope that you enjoyed the video and that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. It's your turn. Hey you.
Hey you.
Say goodnight.
Say good morning.
Alright.
Alright.
Don't make too much coffee, because I'm having this vanilla coffee thing.
I'll make all the coffee I want. What are you going to do, stop me?
No, I'm just saying I don't want any real coffee right now.
Yeah, you do.
We'll see you tomorrow.
No, you won't.
What's up with my eyebrows? I have a unibrow.